How to add apps to hidden folder on iPhone. To get started, first locate the application you wish to hide on your iPhone's home screen. Long press on the app icon to bring up a Quick Actions menu. From this menu, select the option that says Require Face ID. A new pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Select Hide and Require Face ID to proceed with hiding the application. Another confirmation screen will appear, explaining the details of the app. Tap on the Hide App button to finalize the process. The app will now be removed from your home screen. To access it, swipe to the very end of your home screens to open the app library. Here, you will find a new folder at the bottom, labeled Hidden. Tapping on it will reveal the app you have just hidden. Following these steps, you can easily add apps to the hidden folder on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.